Philippines, because y'all know my aunt-in-law, my aunt, she's like my aunt already, because like she been 15 years, right, Hennessy? 15 or 10? How much?
22.
22? Oh man, you've been around for 22 years. She's doing Philippine cuisine. Yeah, she got Hennessy's name as well. And they marinated, and now I'm about to get it popping with the margarita arena. I'm gonna put tangerines today. I wonder how it's gonna hit. Got the peaches. Let's go. People, I don't know what the fuck this shit called, but this shit good as hell with some motherfucking barbecue sauce.
Right here.